Hello everyone, just another quick video from Brandon at Sidell Ranch. I did a video recently about the track loader that we have. It's a 450C, and how I wanted some better grouser bars on it. And I know in the last video I was taking a good chunk out of the ground. I know that's not how to run them, but I was just trying to push some dirt with it and see how well it was going to push. So instead of upgrading the tracks on that or welding on some better grousers, figured to heck with it, I'll just buy a dozer. This one's got a pretty good undercarriage on it. You can see I knocked out some dirt. I've been playing in the mud. I mean, it's got, I'd say, at least 2 inches there. And the grousers, could always beef them up if I needed to. But this is a 1980 450C Bulldozer. And this one used to be a pipe laying bulldozer. It used to have the attachment on the side there that would had a boom on it, would lower pipe and so forth. Anyways, that was removed off of this unit, and then it was used just as a bulldozer, and not used very much. Like I said, this is a 1980. It's got really good sprockets. The tracks look really well. Pins were good, not worn down. Only thing I saw in the undercarriage was a chip off the roller, but I don't believe that's really going to cause it any issue. The other rollers seem to spin fine. The blade goes up and down, moves all over fine. It's a 6-way blade. There is a leak in it, but it's not actually in the cylinder. It's actually this hose right here. And I don't know if it's just not put untied or cross-threaded or what, but I was planning on cleaning all that up and replacing what I need to. It's a new machine to me, so I'm gonna drop all the liquids out and refresh those and lube the heck out of it. But the gentleman I bought it from had bought it from a dealer. He said he thought about 15 years ago, and it was all refreshed. They went and changed and looked at everything then. Who knows what he had done since then, but he said he made a pond with it, and then it just kind of sat on his farm. Same thing here. Grouser bars are nice. Tracks, the sprockets are good. Tracks are good. Rollers seem to be good. He put a new solenoid on it, it looks like. A sort of recent alternator, I guess. But all in all, the thing's running great. It actually runs way better than the track loader we have when it comes to steering and engine. It just runs so much better. But it's a little different than the track loader. Of course, it's got a 6-way blade control, single stick. Still got the dual stick steering. Like I said, this one very touchy, very easy steering on this one compared to the track loader. You got to drag on it a little bit, hit them brakes. A little bit different dash. Gauges actually work. Man, I can't see it from this angle. I'll get it over there. The hour meter still works on it, and he was told that it's still the original hour meter, and said he hadn't messed with it, and it still works. It still ticks. And what is that, 2863? I guess I've put about 4 to 5 hours on it. It was a little under 60 when I got it. Seat may need to be refreshed, but it works. All in all, it's a pretty good machine so far. Been playing. One of the reasons here, you can see, is we got some creeks that come through the property. Over the years, they've just eroded and get bigger and bigger and wider, and have sprung many different angles. Like, that's not even supposed to be a creek there, and this is the main creek that I kind of pushed through here. but as it's flooded, it's went 3 or 4 different ways. So now I've got a lot to clean up. Probably could use a bigger dozer, but this is what I'm going to play with for now. I like these little 450Cs. I may get me maybe a big cat or something one day. But anyways, blade's good on it. Cutting edge. It's actually got some good cutting edges on it still. And super easy start. That was one of the things that surprised me. Nothing like our track loader. Push it over. Yeah. I'll get up on here. Like I said, gas tank, seat, gauges work. The hose there was for the attachment. They never moved it. I'm going to route that under the seat and go out the backs in case I ever want to add another attachment to it. But I probably won't. Alright, I've climbed into the seat. So here's the 6-way blade action. Either way. Gotta remember I'm at a low idle. It's not real fast. I can work spawn. I can tilt it. Somebody weld a ball to the front, I guess, to move around trailers with goosenecks. That's fine. I'm at a low idle. I'm gonna kick the idle up a little. You can see RPM gauge is working well. Those are temperature gauges. This is the clutch. That's the brakes. This unit's a little different than my track loader. It's only actually got 2 gears. First, second. The rest of this range is empty. So it's like going into neutral when you go here. Still has the standard reverser where it's reverse, neutral, high, low. Same thing as the track loader. Under here is the battery. Under here is the hydraulic reservoir. That's it. Other than that, it's about the same. But like I said, so far it's a pretty good unit. The only thing I've noticed is it's got a little bit of a whine compared to our other one when in reverse. I'll let you hear it. It's not very loud, but there's a small whine. And it simply could be because it doesn't get used. I'm not sure. It's got fluid, but it's not low, but I'll check it again later. I've got it in high, so it's gonna drag a little. It's in second gear on high. I'm going to kick the RPMs up just a little. This is second gear on high at about 1800 RPMs. Looks like around 2000 is what it's supposed to run. This is 2000 RPMs right here. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of maintenance on this. Like I said, it's new to me, so I'm gonna drop the fluids, replace the fluids, lube it up, check everything out, try to make sure it's ready to get to work. And as I do that, I'll take videos and let y'all guys see. I have the shop manual for these units, so I'm going to probably have that out, maybe show it. And it's the PDF version, so if anybody needs some help with that or need a page here or there, let me know. But anyways, I'm going to put this thing up. If you would, hit subscribe, look for more videos. I'm going to try to talk about these 450s as much as I can now that I have one of each and can start using them. What's great about them is they can be towed in my flatbed, so I don't have to worry about being overloaded. They fit just nicely on there. So anyways, like I said, hit subscribe and keep an eye out for more videos. Y'all take care. Bye.